fruits? Sorry, how many more like mango than apple? So here we expect you to subtract the apple from the mango. And if you do that, you will get 4. If you do that, you get 4 and then you get 1 point. And then how many fruits in total? So we expect you to add all of them and get 24. So if you're able to add and get 24, you get 1 point. Okay. So, kwaku, they were able to represent it using the table form. So they had 6 marks over there. Kwaku had 6. And the second question, they had it correct, 1 point. Kwaku, the third question, you got it correct. So that is 1 mark. So in all, you had 8 out of 10. Kodier's house, you were able to represent it using the table form, 6 marks. B, you didn't get it. C, you had it correct, 1 point. The D, you got it wrong, and then the E, you also got it wrong. So at the end, you have 7 out of 10. For Sue's house, you were able to do the frequency table, 6 points. And then you forgot to answer the second, the third, and even the fourth question. Okay? So you lose marks over there, and then the last one you were able to get it correct. So in all, you had 7 out of 10. And Ponce's house, the frequency table, you got it correct. B, you got it correct. Mango, that is 1 point. C, apple. The D, how many more apples? You had it correct. And then the last one, you got it wrong. So in all, you had 9 out of 10. Round 4. Round 4 is a true or false statement. I'll come to you with a statement. You just tell me whether it is true or false. Please, okay? Can you ring your bell for me? Okay. The next house. Amponsen's house. Amponsen's house. Please, can you ring it? Okay. So please, when the question comes to you, you need to ring the bell. I will mention your house name to answer the question for me. Okay. Kwaku, your major question. The sun is a star. Okay.
True.
That is correct. If you get it correct, you get 2 marks. If you get it wrong, -1. Okay, so if you get it wrong,
Imagine when you get it wrong, minus all of it.
okay. Kodia, your question is, triangles always have 4 corners. Okay. False is correct. Amponsa, a circle has 4 corners. Is what? False is correct. Fosu, the nose and the lungs help us to breathe.
2.
That is correct. Kweku, a jellyfish produces its own light.
True.
That is a true statement. Kodia, a light travels in a straight line. That is correct. Amponsa, wet and dry season repeat every month. Say it, say it. No, that is incorrect. That is a true statement. A false statement, please. Fosu, the sum of 18 oranges and 12 mangoes give 20 fruits.
2.
That is a false statement.
2.
Kweku, the moon produces its own light.
False.
That is a false statement, correct? Kodia, a cube is a 3D shape.
True.
That is a false statement. So please, it's correct. It's correct. Sorry, I have the true statement over here. Amponsa, a pyramid is a 3D shape.
False.
That is true statement. Fosu, polygons with 4 sides are called.
Quadrilateral.
Sorry. Polygon with 4 sides are called quadrilateral. You said what?
Quadrilateral.
Oh, okay, I'll give it to you. Kwaku, polygons with 8 sides are called hexagon.
False.
False is correct. Kodia, farmers plant more in the dry seasons.
False.
That is correct. Amponsa, plant needs the sun to make their own food.
True.
That is a true statement. For so without the sun, the earth will be cold and shining.
False.
That is a true statement. Kwaku, all animals can make their own food.
False.
False, that is correct. Kodia, the dry season has strong sunshine.
True.
That is a true statement. Amponsa, heat can melt ice.
True.
That is correct. Fosu, the last set of question. We use heat to dry our school uniforms.
True.
That is a true statement. Thank you very much for the end of round 4. Okay, thank you very much. Please, let's continue. We are almost done. At the end of the fourth round, Fosu had 4 points. Amponsa 6 points. Kodia 10 points. And Kwaku 10 points. Please. Now the last round, which is the fifth round, it comes to all the households in the form of a riddle. So households, please, can you press on your bell? Please wait. Okay, Kwaku, please, can you press it? Okay, Kodia, Fosu, and then Amponsa. Thank you very much. So round 5 is a riddle question. It goes to all the households at the same time. If I start reading the question, Qantas, are you listening? Please check if your microphone is on.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Kodia.
Hello.
Okay, thank you very much. Now you should be ready as I start. As I start reading the question and you know the answer, please, you kindly ring the bell. I will ask you for the answer. If you ring it, you don't have time. You have only 3 seconds to provide the answer. Please, contestant, are you okay? Very good. So if you're able to answer the question at the first clue, it means the moment I start reading the question and you have the answer, press on the bell. I'll give you the opportunity to answer. When you are able to answer it at that point, you have 5 marks or 5 points. When I go to the second clue, you have 4 points. The third and any other clue, you have 3 points. You have only 1 chance. If you provide an answer and you are wrong, you are out of that question. You give the opportunity to the rest of the houses to also provide their answers. Are you okay? Are you okay? Very good. Now, question number 1. I am a part of the body. I am very useful to the body. I help the body to hold things, but I need the eye to guide me. Fosu?
Hand.
The hand is correct. So he answered the question at the third clue, and that is 3 points. The next question. The next question, please. There is too much noise here. Please, cameraman. Please. Don't talk to your contestant, please. If they have any issue, I am here for them to talk to. Okay? So please open your ears to listen to the question. The next question. I am a number. If you subtract 4 from me, you get 20. Fosu?
24.
24 is correct. 24 is correct. 4 points. 4 points. The third question. I can be sorted into groups. I can be collected from people in every event. I can be drawn on tables and graphs. I can be represented. Kodia.
Pictograph.
No, incorrect. Kwaku.
Bar graph. Bar graph.
Bar graph, no, is incorrect. So you are out. We have Amponsa and then Fusu. Should I continue reading the question? Okay. I can be represented in tallies. I am changed into information. Who am I? Yes. Fusu.
Bus.
No. Yes.
Data.
Data is correct for 3 points. The last question to bring us to the end of our contest. Please, no noise, no noise. I am a source of light. Please, there is noise here. Ring your bell before I give you the opportunity to answer. I am a source of light. I am commonly and clearly seen in the night. Kwaku
The stars.
is incorrect. Kodia,
The moon.
the moon is correct. And that is 4 points. Contestant, thank you very much for so this brings us to the end of our contest for the primary levels. Contestant, thank you very much for making the contest a successful. Okay. Okay, please. Before we declare the results, we want to acknowledge our sponsors once again. We have Mrs. Anna Odro, First Class Kitchen and then Cake City, sponsoring the program with 3 pieces for best contestants. And then 1 congratulation cake for overall best house. Mrs. Matilda Setre, Medoma 80, sponsoring the program with 50 Ghana cedis. We have Madam Fatih Ibrahim, sponsoring the program with 200 Ghana cedis. Madam Ya Amwako Adom, peri-operative nurse, Mampontein Hospital, sponsoring the program with 300 Ghana cedis. Brainy Child Publication, sponsoring the program with 200 Ghana cedis. Leslie Kwaku, Executive Manager of Zion Praise, sponsoring the program with 500 Ghana cedis. Emmanuel Rashad, the CEO of GS Page Media, 2 packs of Verna bottled water for all contestants. So contestants, when you are done, you kindly come for Verna bottle to quench your thirst. Okay, thank you very much. We have Oyeneba Shaman, 1 box of Calipo to support the contestants. Madam Ellen Nyako, sponsoring the program with a box of Rambo drink. Thank you very much, our sponsors. May God bless you, and we expect more from you, God willing, tomorrow. At the end of the